What's up everybody, this is Scott, the TagMed EMT. Short video today on a couple of kits we've been putting together just to give you guys some carry options or demo ideas. So the first one, we're doing a couple of drop leg setups. This is I think a Condor backing panel that has a little Velcro tab. The upper part of this, if you've got the real estate on your belt, you just attach this to your belt. It can just kind of hang there. And then when in an emergency, when you need to, you can get your kit, grab it, clip it in, and it's got the leg retention straps to help hold it in place. It's a good little setup for you for a quick, easy carry kit, or if you need some real estate, you can do a little drop leg pouch for yourself. The kits that we use for these are our Condor kits. I really like these Condor EMT kits, these tearaways. They work really, really well in an emergency, or say, you need to pass some supplies to somebody, they rip off. You can chuck it to your friend or augment how much medical stuff they have. The other great thing about these back panels is I could buy one of these kits. That's my go to work real kit, and I can buy another one and fill it with training supplies. So if I go to a training day, I'm doing some med training, I put my training kit on my Velcro backing here and go train with it. And then when I get home, all I got to do is just swap out the kit itself on the whole thing. The backer stays on the entire time. These Condor EMT kits come in a couple of different sizes. This is the bigger one. I really like the oversized one for a known medical event. It's got the fold out pouches, lots and lots of room to store all kinds of stuff. You can overpack these kits with lots of medical gear if you want to, and it gives you a lot of options of versatility. So this is one of our drop leg setups that we've been working on for like a crowd management team setup. The other one we have is for a active shooter type event. So if you want to set it up, say for your patrol assignment, and you don't really have a need to carry this on you all the time, but during that active shooter event, or you're going into a high threat environment or a potential mass casualty incident, it's something again you can clip on and grab. This one is a ZAC tool. Basically, you just clip this part to your belt the entire time. So you can use it for just a regular key retention. And then when the emergency happens, you just clip it to your ZAC tool, secure the cross straps around your legs to keep it in place as you move. And you've got, again, another really good solid Condor tearaway kit. And on this one, because it's designed for an active shooter type event, we've got the additional mag pouch for the AR and pistol mag as well. So again, another really, really good setup that you can use. Just to give you an idea, this is again another fold out triple fold Condor tearaway kit, just in a different color. So just a couple of setup ideas for you guys if you're looking for a way to carry your medical stuff in a quick, easy setup that's easy to access, easy to get to, easy to throw on. When you don't need it, you can just disconnect and store this in the trunk of your patrol car or wherever you truck, wherever you want to carry it. So there's a little video. Let me set this up, and we'll shoot another advantage to carrying these drop leg fold out kits, especially when we get to patient treatment. So let me set this up real quick, strap this on, and I'll show you the setup for that. Okay, so we got the setup on, and one of the advantages to this is in a threat environment, if I come down, I've got my patient. I can kneel down, I've got my patient right in front of me. I can either assess the head of the airway or next to my patient if they're laying this way. And I've got all my tools right in front of me. So just crack this open, a couple of zippers, tear this open, and you can see this lays out. So as I'm looking down at my patient, I have a clear view of it. I have all of my supplies handy right in front of me, quick access to PPE if I needed some. And then whatever intervention that I'm going to apply. So it's a great setup. I can kneel down, have a clear view, have all my stuff ready. It's not going to fall out, fly away. It's secured, and I can use my leg as sort of my work table as I'm beginning my treatment. So that's one of the advantages of the drop leg setup. Just want to show you guys that really, really quickly, how we use it, how we deploy it, and how it kind of works. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.